Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, super hot wife.
No.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. I'm old.
You're not old.
Ancient.
It's our birthday weekend. You can hear the animals are all rejoicing.
Yeah, rejoicing and fighting.
I actually had to go on an adventure.
Okay.
I lost one of the bar nuts off of my chainsaw, and the only thing I can think of is it's down over the hill somewhere. So I'm gonna go on a magical adventure to find it, hopefully.
Do you think
If
it
not,
fell off when it got stuck in that big tree?
I don't know. I'm gonna go look. Let's go on a magical adventure. Try to find this. Could have fell off anywhere. I just didn't notice it. We're trying out the new camera, which I was also really excited about because, to be honest, I felt like the GoPro was, I don't know, it just seemed like it was really glassed over, like it was dull looking, and I didn't feel like you were seeing what we're seeing. So, out here in the woods, try to figure out where I could have lost that at. And this thing just, you know, look at that though. Isn't that amazing? It's very cool. You hear that? It's just nothing like it. Alright, so let me show you what I was up to. I got a feeling I'm going to find it right here. Kind of watch my step here. It's like, it's going to be like a needle and a stack of needles. Heard her yell, but yeah, this is where I was at. This is where I was cutting. You can see this. I plan on turning this into some planks. So, I don't know, man. I just feel like this thing is just gonna blend in. I'm not gonna be able to find it. You can see the tree got hung up in a cedar. It's fell a little bit. It's fell about, I don't know, 3 feet. I was gonna get it all the way down and my chain popped off, and then got sidetracked with other projects as per usual. So I don't know. I kept thinking maybe it's here somewhere. There's lots of sawdust. I don't see it. I feel like I'm gonna have to replace that one. No luck on that one. I guess I'll have to run up to the hardware store and replace it. I don't really need it today, but I am gonna need it here in a couple days because we bought one of the what are they, the Alaskan chainsaw mills, so that I can start processing some of this stuff and turning into lumber. And if you've been watching the lumber prices, now's the time. Let me show you my resources here. This is pretty amazing. But the lumber prices here in Kentucky are going up to $6, $7 a board, and that's just 2x4s. So my thought was, to start turning some of these guys into lumber that we can use on our farm. But when I get farther down here, I want to show you guys what's going on. I have much bigger trees already down. So, take a look at this guy. See what I mean? So, if you look at the size of some of these, I have enough lumber here to do almost any project that we want to do. I just needed a way to reclaim it. So, that's the idea. I'm going to try to reclaim it. Try to get some of this lumber and start turning it into, you know, goat houses and chicken coops and fences, things that we need. And the other thing too is that we actually kind of need this area for a little pasture later on down the road. So it'll be kind of like two birds with one stone. I'm not going to take every tree, but a few. Like I've had my eye on this one. It's back here. You can kind of see it. Yeah, right here. I've had my eye on that one for a while. I think that one should yield quite a bit of lumber. So yeah, it's beautiful out here today. It's just absolutely beautiful. Look at that. There's just nothing better on earth than that sound. Yeah, this camera is a little bit heavier than the GoPro. I feel like I'm carrying around a baseball bat. What's up?
I need you to help unload tent. It's disappeared.
I had no idea.
Calling for you.
Alright, let's get some tin. Alright, well I figured out why she was yelling at me. It's because the guy we got the little trailer off of stopped in and dropped us off a whole bunch of tin. Check this out. There's some really big sheets here. So that's great. Everything's gonna get a roof now. I have enough tin here to do her barn that I want to build. So very cool. Super nice guy. I'm gonna end up making him a knife and drop it off to him. So it'll be pretty cool. He said he don't want nothing for it, but that don't seem right. I mean, that's a lot of material. Yeah. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? Lots of free tin. So yeah, pretty awesome. We're gonna do a little cooking, have some food, and hopefully enjoy a couple days off of work. So I'm gonna end this video. So you guys be cool, and we'll see you next time. So if you haven't yet, like and subscribe, share it out, ring that bell, and we'll talk to you later. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you later.